Hello everyone, I am No Adrana. I will be representing about the transportation problem at Serdang Jaya. I will be discussing about the overview of Serdang Jaya, the main transportation issues and action has been taken by the authorities and the outcomes of it. Serdang Jaya is located near Seri Kembangan, within the state of Selangor. It is also associated with the area of section U12 in Shah Alam. This township has a strategic location that makes it suitable for both living and business activity. It is well connected to major highways such as North-South Expressway Central Link, Damansara Puchong Expressway, and South Klang Valley Expressway. These highways provide easy travel to nearby urban centres like Shah Alam, Klang, and Petaling Jaya. Within the township, the main roads include Jalan Serdang Jaya and Jalan Besar Serdang. These roads serve as important routes for daily traffic and local connectivity. Serdang Jaya is also located close to key educational and commercial landmarks. For example, University Putra Malaysia, which is a major educational institution, and the Mines Shopping Mall, a popular commercial and leisure destination. This makes the area convenient for students, workers, and residents. In terms of public transportation, Serdang Jaya is accessible via the KTM commuter service. Residents can use the KTM commuter Seremban line through the Serdang KTM station. This provides an alternative to driving and helps improve connectivity to other regions. One of the major issues in Serdang Jaya is traffic congestion. Heavy traffic commonly occurs on the main roads connecting Serdang Jaya and Seri Kembangan, especially during morning and evening peak hours due to the high numbers of commuters. This is mainly caused by the increasing number of private vehicles and limited road capacity, which leads to frequent congestion during peak periods. Access to major highways can create bottlenecks at junctions. Vehicles entering and exiting the nearby highways such as the North-South Expressway Central Link and Damansara Puchong Expressway can cause the traffic to be busy. This situation disrupts the smooth flow of traffic and increases delays, especially during peak hours when traffic volume is at its highest. Another issue is limited parking spaces. Insufficient parking areas in commercial zones can cause the double parking and roadside parking, which reduces road capacity and worsens traffic congestion. This also blocks traffic lanes and slows down the vehicle movement, making it more difficult for drivers to pass through the area efficiently. Insufficient residential parking. Many neighborhoods in Serdang Jaya were developed with limited parking spaces, usually designed for only 1 or 2 cars per house. However, many households now own multiple vehicles, creating a shortage of parking spaces. Other than that, construction works on roads also contribute to transportation problems. Lane closures reduce road capacity. During road repairs or upgrades, some lanes are closed, which reduces the numbers of vehicles that can pass at one time and causes congestion. For the heavy traffic construction vehicles, trucks transporting materials and machinery add extra traffic volume and can slow down the overall traffic flow. Lastly, there is the issue of insufficient public transport. Limited coverage in residential areas, public buses do not fully cover all neighborhoods in Serdang Jaya, so many residents need to walk far or rely on private vehicles to reach the nearest stop. For poor last mile connectivity, although there are nearby rail options such as the KTM commuter Seremban line, it is difficult for residents to conveniently travel from their homes to stations like Serdang KTM station due to limited feeder bus or safe working routes. Action has been taken by authorities and the outcomes. One of the solutions implemented is the smart lane system, where emergency lanes are temporarily open during peak hours. This approach helps to increase road capacity without the need to build new roads. As a result, it reduces congestion during peak periods and improves traffic flow, especially near major highway connection. To address limited parking spaces, authorities have introduced smart parking system using IoT and mobile application. These systems are implemented in smart city initiative across area. Drivers can check, book, and pay for parking using mobile apps. As a result, this reduces the time spent searching for parking, decreasing the double parking and roadside parking, and also improving the traffic flow in commercial areas. For construction-related traffic issues, authorities use CCTV and smart traffic monitoring system. This allows real-time monitoring of traffic conditions. Authorities can then adjust traffic control measures such as deviation and signal timings. As a result, delays are reduced and safety is improved in construction zone. Another important action is the introduction of feeder bus services. These buses connect to residential areas in Serdang Jaya to nearby rail stations such as Serdang KTM station. They support the KTM commuter Seremban line and aim to improve first and last mile connectivity. As a result, feeder bus help reduce dependence on private vehicles and improve mobility for students and residents without cars. However, there are still limitations such as low frequency, limited roads, and long waiting times. Because of this, many residents still prefer using private vehicle, which continue to contribute traffic congestion. In conclusion, Serdang Jaya is a strategically located township with good connectivity to major highways, key urban centers, and important landmarks, making it a suitable area for both residential and commercial activities. However, despite these advantages, the area faces several transportation challenges such as traffic congestion, limited parking spaces, construction-related disruption, and also insufficient public transport, especially in terms of last mile connectivity. Various actions also have been taken by authorities, including the implementation of smart lane system, smart parking technology, traffic monitoring system, and feeder bus service. This solution have helped to improve traffic flow, reduce delays, and enhance mobility to some extent. Nevertheless, some issues still remain, particularly in public transport efficiency and also parking management. Therefore, continuous improvement and better planning are needed to ensure a more efficient, safe, and sustainable transportation system in Serdang Jaya. That's all from me. Thank you.